Hey everyone, welcome to this session where I will be introducing you to a no-code automation tool. I am Aravind Bethapudi, as a data scientist. Automation is a big part of my daily workflow. Today I'm going to show you how you can automate your repetitive tasks, which saves time and boosts productivity without writing a single line of code. Let's see. So what exactly is n8n? n8n is a no-code automation that helps you to connect different applications and automate repetitive tasks using a simple, intuitive drag to and drop interface. So you don't have to be a developer to use it, but if you are one, you can go even deeper with your custom logic. It is designed to make complex workflows simple for everyone. So this is how n8n can be useful for. So now let's talk about how n8n works behind the scene. Every workflow in n8n, they are built in 3 basic steps. First, you have the trigger. This is the event that starts a workflow, like receiving a new mail or someone filling out a form. Then comes the process, where you handle the data and apply conditions to transform it. Finally, you have the output. It is the final action, like sending a message, updating a sheet, or notifying someone on the Slack. So this is the basic example and basic steps for building n8n. Think for a second about your daily tasks. Do you manually update spreadsheets or constantly switch between apps to move data, or spend hours copy pasting this information? These are the common repetitive tasks, and n8n helps you to eliminate all of them by automating the entire process. These are the common repetitive tasks, and n8n helps you to eliminate all of them by automating the entire process. So you can see here manual data entry and automation, labor costs or error-related costs, training and onboarding, scalability. So there are multiple uses for the AI automation rather than using manual data entry. So you might wonder, why should you choose n8n where there are tools like Zapier or Make? Here is why. n8n is an open source, meaningful. You can fully control it, customize it, even host it for yourself. It gives you powerful features for free that many platforms charge for. It's not just about automating tasks. It's about doing it your way, securely and affordably. It's free to self-host, advanced logic and code support, and data privacy, and also suitable for creators, freelancers, and developers. So what can you automate? Let's look at some practical automations. First, you can automate fetching email. Imagine automatically extracting attachments or reading content from emails and using them in your workflows. You can easily sync the data between Notion and Google Sheets. Or do you need to clean data or remove duplicates across apps? You can automate that too. Or even create websites and get results directly to Mac without lifting a finger. These are just small examples. The possibilities are literally endless with n8n. And coming to the next examples, here are some key features that n8n makes stand out. You can host it without paying subscription fees if you are a developer or beginner. It supports advanced logic like using conditions, loops, and even custom JavaScript, which gives the full flexibility. You have complete control over your data because nothing leaves your environment. And best of all, it's designed for everyone from solo creators to the team of developers. And now let's look at some of the powerful features that n8n brings to the table. First and most importantly, it's free to self-host. This means you don't need to pay any money or monthly fees like other platforms. You can install it on your own cloud server and have full access without limitations. Secondly, it supports advanced logic and code. You can use loop, conditions, and even custom JavaScript when you want to make automation smarter. This makes n8n equally and useful for non-coders and developers who want more control. So another very important feature is data privacy. Since you host it yourself, all your data stays under your control. Unlike other platforms where if data passes through external servers, here you decide where and how the data flows. Finally, n8n is built for everyone. Whether you are a creator who wants to automate content posting, a freelancer who wants to automate reports, or developer looking for advanced integration, n8n fits all. It's a powerful, flexible, and easy to use regardless of your technical background. So getting started is simple. You can use the free cloud version right away, or if you prefer more control, you can self-host it using our platforms like Render, Railway, or even Docker. So what's even better in n8n comes with the playground where you can try building workflows without affecting anything. Perfect for beginners. So to summarize, the biggest advantage of n8n are it's completely free and self-host. It has advanced logic and coding options. It ensures data privacy since you are in control, and it's flexible even enough to serve creators, freelancers, and developers alike. So what's next? Coming up next, I'll show you how exactly to build your first automation step by step, even if you have zero experience. You'll also see the real world demos of how n8n solves everyday problems. And of course, I'll share some bonus tips and hidden tricks to help you to get the most out of your n8n. So before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss the next videos where you will actually building a working automation together. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how much time you can save. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I can't wait to see you in the next session where we dive into building automations.